everybody.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Squamish River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles south of Port St. Joe to 34 nautical miles south of South Tower, moving south at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Empire Micro Wreck. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service